very lagi mga police. Look, makita nimo na yung mga police, na yung mga reporters, and na ay mga media people, look, from different sectors, ha? And it's actually just what time? 9:30 pa lang ta. Kumusta ako? Di na ako mabasa, sorry ha. Madam, ICC na dapat. Yes, we are here live actually sa ICC. We are outside the ICC. This is the International Criminal Court, or also known as the Court of Last Resort. Yes. May antay talaga. And last night, as I was already anticipating na mangyayari talaga siya, the best scenario would be like, okay, walang mangyayari. Ma-avoid natin yung confrontation or some sort of unwanted really situation. But apparently, it's also good that the police or the designated department were already informed beforehand. Grabe ha, wala gani sila proper communication na mahitabo to siya, but because they were already expecting that former President Duterte is going to be here, is going to arrive in, and after siya, actually mulan siya sa Rotterdam, and then padung din siya din sa ICC, and ipakita daw ang anti-Duterte. Oh yeah, actually that's correct. Dire so dire ta sa, so pro Duterte dire ta sa pavement, pwede tam occupy dire guys. Yes.
Ito, baka may message ka sa mga pro na darating dito
sa mga kababayan po natin na pupunta ngayon dito to show love and support to our beloved president. Please, I would like to advise you to observe peace, follow proper decorum, and let's just be peaceful. Yun lang po. Salamat po kuya sa pag-invite.
Okay, so bala ka na.
Salamat po. Pupunta muna ako doon, ipapakita ko sa kanila saan yung mga anti-Duterte na area. Sige po. Bisan asa na yung supporter na to. Yeah, exactly. So happy that you are there. Yeah, thank you ma'am. Thank you ma'am. So basically ang development ngayon, look, there are really cameras everywhere. You are not allowed to enter here. Basically, I think maybe later dito talaga siya pupunta, because you are not allowed to enter here. Dito lang. 'Di ba? Sorry. Yeah, Tagalog pala. I will try my best. I am actually from the south po, so yung yung yes, hope that you can provide jacket. I would have wanted to, even if I would have wanted to. So dito po yung mga anti-Duterte po. Yan. But I'm not sure if I'm allowed to Hello po. Ate Janet! Ha? Ayo pag-anak mag-peaceful ro to. Ay sila awaya. Diyan na sila. So, kita diri na ta mga pro Duterte.
Ano sila ilang kanon.
Hala, ayo sa paghilak. Uy, bago buntag pa ka. It's too early ha?
Kano doon akong telepon nga wala man ng internet.
So, nadira sila. Diri sila sa bungtod. They were designated there. Anthony, salamat day for giving. Nagdala kong jacket. Yes, there earlier. Thank you. And hello. Nakipag sige. This is Ate Janet po. A very staunch supporter. Sige. So there are police here. Increasing number of police apparently. So they are prepared. So gamay patakaron, but it will grow. So we are only allowed to be here, ha? Diri lang ta sa pavement. Wag doon sa bungtod. Nganong naa may enter to pwede gipang unsa di na amping diha sir, salamat sa update. Sorry, pasensya. What was it? Amping diha sir, day patanawa Miss Antay. No, actually I would have wanted to go there, pero I think it will create conflict kung moadto ko dito niya mag-video ko, because I think they already know who I am. So di ko ganahan mo magka-problema. Sir. Ah, okay lang.
Ito wag ka tayo lumampas sa may.
Yeah, dito. Wala, oh, wag lang. Hello. Can we even go there and talk to them or what? Show them now. So, Roel Divina, okay, hi Dave, watching while working. Ay ate, thank you so much for watching. So, basically, later on, look na yung mga police dire Look. Look at this. So, auto siya guys. Ang akong ma-share karon lang gid sa inyo hano is that di ba ko ganahan magbalik-balik sa akong istorya. I just wanted to really show people na this is the reality. You're allowed to show support or show sus na po yung mga istorya oh. Mga bayaran sus. Basin, mabidyohan ni mo sa tatay pag-abot. Yes, atong itry. Tama, wag ka. Wait lang. Yes, actually, I would like to ano lang. I want to make sure that we control the area. Na dili ta magkagubot na wala pong mangyaring gulo or whatnot. That we are going to observe peace. That whether you are for or against Duterte, it's your choice. Nobody should impose kung anong dapat na choice na gusto mo sa buhay. Yun talaga, Tatak Pilipino. Salamat sa pagsuporta ninyo ka tataya. Hi sir, thank you. Makawash ta update ni Tatay Digong. Watching here from Davao sir, unsay ma-share kay Tatay Digong. Actually, worst comes to worst, ang sabi na grabe talaga yung mga ano nila. Worst comes to worst, the trials are really long for the ICC. Disclaimer lang ha, I'm not a lawyer or whatnot. I am just people are from merong mga media practitioners from France. Some people are look Pinoy na. Yes, they are actually. And you know, gusto ko lang po sanang isabihin din that it is very much okay to have a differing views, and that's the nature of life, that we have differing views because we are different, but we can also be different but at the same time be peaceful as well. Suko na kay sa Ate Janet. Ipakulatan na lang ng mga ante. Ayaw lang, di lang ta mag-aaway. Sir, hatagin nyo ko gusto. Aka na, sir, okay. Dave, sige lang kog hilak dire. I'm really sorry, yeah. I feel you, Ma'am Chime. I really feel also very emotional. This moment, gid na ko siya gipalampas because this is too personal for me. I don't know why, but I really see Tatay Digong as actually a father. Aside from having my own father, he really showed unconditional love para sa mga tao. Alvin Dave, ayaw na lang ninyo tagda. Yes, oo, correct. Yes, that's correct. Dili na lang. By the hour, increasing ang number of people, and di ka pwede mato dito sa taas, guys. Actually, watching from Butuan. Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. Summer, salong bakong laban, Dave. Thank you, Jade. I miss you. 1 month. So increasing na siya. By the hour, more and more people are coming here, and I think that's also very nice because it means na democracy is really well and alive and thriving here. Pero, you know, there are the issues about the legalities of Tatay Digong's arrest, or, you know, yung mga bagay na ganon. That's for his lawyers to settle. We're just here to show support for him. Hello, welcome. Are you for Tatay Digong? Uy! Okay, that's really good. Dito lang po tayo. Yeah.
Nandito na siya?
Thank you. Hindi pa maya pa siya darating. Maybe 2 hours or 3 hours from now. Dito lang po tayo. Kasi dito designated for pro. And then doon po sa kabila yung antay.
Ang daming protestant.
Oo. Yeah, they're prepared actually. So,
Nanginig ako sa ano.
yeah,
sa...
merong araw po, but honestly, it's really cold. Kanta sabi, di ko kakanta kay grabe katog na watching from Kuwait. Hello, sabaan yan ang bayad lami ada ganon. Kuan siya, very passionate lang siya siguro. Really passionate, and actually is a lot of meat for all media practitioners na nag-interview sa iya. But that's pretty much the thing. Kantas, okay, wait. Di na ako mapaspas kay ang kuan ako gi-PM nimo. Pag live gihapon unya sir. I as much as possible replied na ay ka sa hola. Unsa na we are actually live here in the Netherlands sa International Criminal Court dito sa The Hague. So, di ba? You see.
So, syempre, di naman yung bababa ng
Hi, kung ako ang nagkamalinyahan ng play, ako ang delayed flight, okay. Naapo day, yes, Michelle, sir, salamat kasi mula mabuhay ang mga Bisaya. Okay, sorry, yeah. So, naagid sila dire. Very organized, you are very much allowed to express your dissent or conformity. Ha?
You are against or
Exact. Are you Bayan Philippines of? Okay. Okay. Sorry, yeah, oo. Against nga. Against pala sila. Oo nga, bawal. Sana hindi na mag-video doon kasi baka magalit sila.
nag-video naman.
Okay.
Against pala sila doon.
Against, doon yung against, dito yung ano. Because actually, that's the designated place talaga to gather. Para hindi yung maano. But apparently, they're prepared also.
Nauna na sila.
Oo. Nauna sila doon kanina. So, yeah. Mira sa unsa tayo daw watching from Talisay, Cebu, sir. Salamat sa pag-live paying hatag yung code si Tatay, sir. Yes, yeah. Sarah, maybe tomorrow or today.
Mating na kanina daw.
Si Sarah?
Oo, naano ko sa ewan ko Facebook.
Ano. So, hindi na ako mabasa yung mga ano nyo, yung mga pwede pahog sa liig yung mga Giancarlo. Salamat sa live. Thank you din po. So, yeah, you see they are listing people already, guys. So, that's really if you are going to cause trouble or whatnot, see.
Possible.
Yeah. Yeah. Teha Oms. Yeah. Niet veel. Ja, maar niet veel. Niet zoveel, denk ik, hè?
Maar heel eerlijk, als jullie elkaar tegen elkaar doen, wordt het al vechten?
Nou, ik denk het niet. Ja, ik denk het niet. Yes. Oh. Pero na-occupy na nila agad yung ano. Kaya we cannot go there anymore. Is it direct to the Cabanillas? Ja. Na, eerst hier, daarna de... Ja, gewoon. Oké, d'accord. Maar kom hij hier eerst? Of?
Nee, hij komt niet eerst hier.
Ay, hoop
Dat is niet
makita
vast van zaak.
So van Rotterdam?
Ja, zal dan eerst vanuit Rotterdam naar het vast gaan.
Soort detention.
Ah, oké.
Magkakain sorok minera kami.
Nee, maar niet dat jullie straks in één keer met de mensen daar
Daar is
aan het... ja.
Okay. So apparently guys, I have a report. Hello po. Nice to meet you po. Nice to meet you po. Thank you. Ano pangalan mo ate? Rhea. Nice to meet you ate. Kayo lang tayo na talaga nakita. Yo, emotional. Si ate is crying.
Hi!
It's okay. It's okay. Say hi to everyone. How do you
Hi
feel?
everyone! Feel sad of course, but yeah, it is what it is at this moment. We cannot do anything, but we are here to support. We show the support, right? Always?
Thank you for coming, ate.
Of course, we are Filipino.
Thank,
We are
thank you for
Filipino.
coming. Sus, grabe good si Ate Janet. Grabe talaga si Ate Janet. Oo. Para lang daw sa mga pro.
Ate, pahingi ate, gutom here.
Naay Tatay Dave. Okay. So apparently, we just spoke to the police. This is one very important information. From the airport in Rotterdam, diretso pala talaga siya sa may designated area where he's going to be quartered. He's not going to come here in ICC pala, diretso. Wala palang chance to see him here. Please show support. But actually, ang sabi ng police na diretso siya from the airport ng Rotterdam, diretso pala siya sa quarter niya. Yung appearance niya pala dito sa ICC is yet to be determined kung kailan. Sir, bigyan mo ng jacket. Sir, imong coat